welcome back to Monday Pit Boating. I'm Coots and that's Mark. If you've seen our last adventure, we've been trying to get further upstream than we ever have before. And after running into some log jams, we ran into this.
Look at that, dude. Skated by without hitting any concrete rocks.
Boulder.
Let's just start cutting. Keep going. Pineapple tidbits. Better than chunks, better than slices, tidbits. Tidbits. Want to kick this guy away from the boat? Oh. Looking like a path almost. I almost went with it. Alright, try getting us through there again. How we just thought? Maybe like the combination of me getting off the boat, tugging. Okay, I see what's going on. This underwater one is the guy that's stopping us. They want to give me the bow saw? Because I can't see what I'm actually cutting. That's easy. Do that to this guy now. Over here. Hey, can you chainsaw this guy? I think we gotta start like uncovering all this crap. Oh my god, hold on, spider. No, it's coming right for me! Get away from me! Where is it? That thing was in full attack mode. Well, I'm never going in the water again. You think we can sort of wiggle through here? There you go. I just want to get over there and start going. It's happening! Let's think about this. Let me do a little recon. Dude, it looks like the other side's like awesome. What we need is a chainsaw that's about like 16 feet long. We can just go whoop. It seems pretty solid. Your right foot is the main tree. I know, right? I had the idea of clear out like right here. So it seems this is like 1, 2, and we're through.
You think we can get through that big stump there?
This thing?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
How come you did stop when you did?
I kind of got bored.
You want to cut the biggest tree you've ever cut from that position?
Yeah. Sucks because like I know I'm not getting nearly as deep as I need to. If we cut it over here somewhere, is all this gonna go away? Because we can get to this point a lot easier. Come to Papa.
Did you go all the way through?
No, it seemed like it stopped kicking out sawdust. I think it's like the back side of it. Dude, I want to get through here, throw anchors, and eat a lot of food. That's my bucket list right now. This is exhausting. How did people survive back in the day? Ah.
What if it's shallow enough to stand on that side and chainsaw?
Ooh. Hold on, I gotta eat something. More tidbits. Actually, little beans. Bean break. You got that camera roll?
Yes. Drop off too much?
Give me that saw, man. Can you step on it and see if it's doing anything?
No, it seemed like it.
You kind of like bounce. It seems more solid now than it was before I started cutting. You want to try cutting the underneath part on your side? Hey, let me push it. Seems like it's like almost there.
Dang it.
Right? You want to give me the bow saw? Oh, there it goes. Hell yeah. Ta-da. Bless you. Bless you.
Oh, I finally got that chicken on my nose. I think something bad just happened. I've heard a little pop and smelled something from the motor.
I kind of smell something right now, like burnt electronics. Well, that puts a damper on the day. Maybe try bouncing on it. It's rolling, it's rolling.
That's nice.
We have to clear out all this stuff. We're so close, dude. What's it hitting this tree? It comes down right to here. So we gotta come real wide left. Oh, dude, we're so close.
Now try.
We're moving. We gotta get into deeper water. Oh my God. We did it. Let's hit it. Is that a rock?
Where?
Oh, that's a pipe. That's like literally like a city pipe. Is this a log jam?
Sure looks that way.
Oh my God. It's literally like 1,000 trees.
With the sun setting, there wasn't enough time to make any progress on this log jam, so it was time to head home. Hi!
I'm just gonna try and gun.
Pipe.
Oh,
Jesus.
that's no joke, man. Put the pipe in the middle of a river. Hang on.
I'm shocked it worked.
Yeah. There you go. Oh no.
There we go.
Now we're not home free yet. 'Cause remember, there's all those rocks prepared to be tossed forward at any moment. Oh my God, this is all our stuff. Oh. This one's kind of good. That one was bad.
That punch at a rock.
Oh yeah. There's our rock. There's a rock. Want to anchor and throw for a little bit, or?
Yeah.
Oh, we're like right here. Wait for it to grab us. Oh, got it. Chef Coots in the galley. 2 lumberjacks putting meat in their mouths.